Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. How about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? How about your best friend the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you get down? Can you sing in the shower? Do happy birthday? Einstein, are we in trouble? How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? Is it dusty? Good. The most annoying sound in the world. Ah! Would you like to ride the roller coaster? It's a blast. Good. Can you work out? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here.
What do you say it's time to go?
Bye.